What's up guys, this is the PBQer, so happy to see you again, and today I'm going to teach you 5 F2L tricks that you must know. So F2L stands for first two layers, and this is the step on CFOP when you solve the first two layers, just like this. And instead of doing this in the beginner's method way, where you solve first of all the corner and only then you solve the edge, you do the corner and the edge in one algorithm, for example like this. Now, because F2L have a lot of cases, most of the keepers learn F2L intuitively and make their own algorithms. And because of that, keepers may use really bad algorithms. So today I'm going to show you 5 F2L tricks that I found pretty useful. Let's do it. And of course, all these cases are working also mirror. So the first case that I wanted to start with is this case. And the reason I choose to start with this one is because I saw so many people doing this algorithm wrong. I think like even J Perm isn't using my algorithm. So what most of the keepers are doing is something like this. Which is a pretty nice algorithm because it's only R and U, but it is 11 moves. Instead, I have an only 7 moves algorithm. It's going like this. You set the pair in the back and you do this algorithm. Now if you're doing this case mirrored, then you're doing it like this. Next case is when you have this pair right here and it need to go to here. So instead of taking it out and then solving it, what you can do is set it up like this, do a sledgehammer, which set it up like this, and then you just solve it. Case number 3, you have the pair right here and it's solved, but it needs to get to its place. So I'm going to show you 2 algorithms for this one. So the first one is going like this. You put the corner right here, you do a sledgehammer, and that solves the pair, and you insert it. And the second one is if you are in this position and this is in the back, then you can hold it like this and do this algorithm. The last one, you have this pair right here, it is solved and it needs to get to here. So instead of taking it out and then inserting it, what you can do is hold the cube like this and do this algorithm. Last case for today will be when the corner here is solved and the edge is right here. In this case, you hold the cube like this and you do this algorithm. Anyway guys, that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, hope this was helpful. Click on the cube to subscribe. Come on guys, let's get to 50 subscribers before the end of 2020. That's it, and I'll see you all at the next video. Oh, and also check out those 2 videos because they're awesome.